Today we are going to discuss how to safely handle the M2 passenger seat. Handling of the M2 passenger seat is covered in the 525 Maintenance Manual, Chapter 25, Section 20, Subsection 05. Follow the proper ergonomic lifting procedures of your facility and make logbook entries for seat removal and installation as required. Team M2 recommends using 2 personnel to remove or install the seat into the aircraft. Team M2 has had several reports from the field of standoffs for the life vest cover breaking off the passenger seat during removal or installation of the passenger seat. The standoffs are physically located behind the life vest cover panel. The life vest cover panel is on the front of the seat directly below the lower seat cushion. You can remove the life vest cover by pulling on the bottom part of the cover and releasing the 2 quick connect posts, and then lightly pulling up on the cover and pulling the cover towards you. You can then see both standoffs on the upper section and both quick connect posts on the cover and the receptacles towards the lower side of the seat base. Standoffs fit into the grooves cut into the life vest cover panel. Install the life vest cover panel by putting the standoffs into the groove on the cover panel and rotating the cover panel down. Snap in the quick connect posts on each side. Prior to actual removal of the passenger seat, determine where you will stage the seat outside the aircraft. Put blocks up in the staging area to keep the seat off the floor and protect the seat shrouds. To prevent damage and personnel safety, ensure that no one will sit on the passenger seats once they are staged outside the aircraft. Make sure the path is clear from the current seat location and inside the aircraft to the staging area. To configure the passenger seat for removal, the armrest will be stowed, the headrest will be completely down, the passenger seat will be centered over the seat base, chair back will be raised up completely, and the seat restraint will be fastened. Remove the inboard seat shroud cover to gain access to the 4 seat feet pins. Remove the 4 seat feet pins by pushing on the button at the head of the pin and pulling on the pin. Save the 4 seat pins for reinstallation of the seat. If removing more than 1 passenger seat, label the seats using shop's best practice to ensure the passenger seats will be reinstalled in the same locations. During lifting of the passenger seat, use the life vest cup where the life vest is stored or the seat base to lift the seat. Do not lift on the life vest seat cover. Stabilize the seat with the other hand on the seat back. Remove the seat from the aircraft and relocate it to the staging area. Be sure to place the seat on the staging block so that the seat base is in contact with the blocks and not the seat shroud. The seat shrouds hang lower than the seat feet and are not designed to carry the load of the seat. If you put the passenger seat down with the weight of the seat on the shrouds, they may crack or break. When ready to reinstall the passenger seat, ensure that the seat is still in the proper configuration with respect to the headrest down, armrest stowed, seat centered over the base, and seat belt fastened. Ensure the path to the aircraft is clear. Once all the seats are reinstalled, verify operation by moving the passenger seat in all directions and check the reclining feature of the seat. Please contact Team M2 by email or phone for any questions.